USA stock, NJ/CA, fast delivery. Shipping by FedEx, UPS. This skincare commercial steamer is made of high-quality ABS housing and ABS plastic Pentagon base material, which is durable and non-toxic for you to use. With its portable and compact design, so you can operate it easily by yourself. Low power consumption and energy saving, it is a good product that you can't Mississippi. And it also features cold and heat spray, timing functions. Ideal for professional use or home use, as long as you use it, you will be youthful and confident. Features: 1 made of high-quality ABS housing and ABS plastic Pentagon base material, it is durable and non-toxic for your facial skin too. With its portable and compact design, so you can operate it easily by yourself. 3. Low power consumption and energy saving. 4. Feature heat spray, timing functions. 5. Ergonomic design, fit to face perfectly. 6. Improve blood circulation and metabolism specifications. 1 material, ABS plastic housing and ABS plastic Pentagon base. 2. Functions, cold and heat spray, timing. 3. With a heating up features, when water level below the limit, auto power off. 4. Voltage, 110V, 60 Hz. 5. Power, 650W6. Power cable length, 70.86/18 m7. Base diameter, 21.65/55 cm. 8. Weight, 1102 lbs/5 kg. 9. Dimensions, 24.40 x 24.40 x 44.88/62 x 62 x 114 cm, LXWXH, 10. Color, white and blue. 11. Plug type, US standard. 12. Brand, Mefeir 13. Model, MF-FS002 Package Includes, 1X facial steamer, 1X manual hot and cool phase steamer, come with 2 sprayers, each for hot steam and cool steam. This 650W facial steamer is designed for salon use or personal care at home. Having 2 separate water tanks, this new version facial steamer is able to generate both hot and cool steam at the same time. Sturdy iron base, strong iron base of 24 diameter ensures longer use time than those made from weak plastic. 4 omnidirectional wheels help you move it smoothly anywhere you want. Auto TRUN off, when water is lower than minimum level, the unit will stop working to prevent from any damages. Adjustable and portable, rotary sprayers can be adjusted to any angle you need. Height range from 34.25 to 44.48, from floor to control console, easy operation, 3 sets separately for cool, hot and UV light, awfully convenient to use. 10 to 20 minutes are enough for daily face treatment. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.